I'm freaking out. Did I just get catfished? A couple of weeks ago, I ordered a custom online tutu. I have no idea if it's gonna look like the photos. And this is the moment of truth. This is the moment where I find out if I have wasted my money. So you're gonna help me open this and let's find out if I got catfished or not. Okay. Oh, it's very pink. Oh my God, my heart is going. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm not sure about this. Dusty. I'm like freaking out. I spent so much money on this and let's just hope. And I also ordered 2, so if it's not right, I'm really screwed. Oh my God. I saw this. It's a little bag for putting the armbands in. I thought this was the bodice. Shiny pink is not what I ordered, but at least it's just the bag. Oh my God. Guys, this is so pretty. It's got all these sparkles and sequins. Okay, I'm excited. Let me try this on. I was in disbelief by how well this fit me, even though I customized the sizing and the design of the tutu. I just did not expect it to be so perfect to what I asked for. Honestly, could not be happier. I feel like a princess. It's always been my dream to own a sugar plum tutu, and now I've got 2. And with my new ballet agency providing dancers for luxury events, that is what I'm hoping to build this towards. So these beautiful tutus, you're gonna see them in all of their glory in some photos and some videos soon, so stay tuned for that. And also, if you know anyone looking for the most beautiful, gorgeous ballerinas for events, wearing the most exquisite costumes, please do not hesitate to get in touch. But yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. I also couldn't resist inviting my boyfriend from Glastonbury, Shaun, in to have a little look at my tutu, and his reaction was priceless.
Oh, it's a new one.
Yeah.
Oh, you're beautiful.
I always try to catch his reaction to my new costumes, and I could tell he really liked this one.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
It is.
You like it?
Yeah.
It looks amazing. It looks amazing.
Thanks.